Hello, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of generating a PDF with anything. At the end of this workflow automation, it's going to send the final PDF via my email. So the workflow starts by giving it a chart on the report I want to create. So for instance, I'll say generate reports on financial investment. So once I give it my report topic, I connect this to any chat interface of your choice, be it Telegram or WhatsApp, then or even Slack. It's going to pass into the AI agent that basically creates the content of the report based on the instructions that have been given to the AI agent. Then I'm using a code node to clean the output and format it properly. And I'm connecting to a drive wherein I have the templates I'm using to generate today's report. And at the end of this workflow, it has sent me an email. So I'll open my Gmail. Okay, I think. Okay, then I refresh. Okay, I have the final copy here. And this is the final PDF document. Yep.